Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye. One love, one people, a man. Me wake the spirit from the past. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start for roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry Jah inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of youth. Me chant me hymn for change. The whole world rearrange. Me say the struggle still remain, but love erase the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live my heart. No silver, no gold me need. Only Jah my creed. Me heart strong like lion roar. Rasta forevermore. Yeah, roots revival rise. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul jockey. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. Me feel the wind from Africa. Whisper say remember ya. Bloodline strong, my history clear. My ancestors here. Drum echo from the ground. Revolution sound. Me see the youths awake and proud. Me chant them loud. Them carry truth and fire. The future them inspire. The system can't blind no more. We open door. Roots revive, the time is now. Rasta take the vow. One nation, one heart, one soul. Jah make we walk. Yeah, roots revive, alright. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soldier keep. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been. Roots revival carry on till the morning come. Aya ganja and meditate your man. The morning sun ablaze my skin. Jah love dwell deep within. Me breathe the light, me feel the air. Jah presence everywhere. Me see the mountain bow to breeze. Creation live in peace. Jah word echo from above. Eternal love. Me heartbeat calm and true. Me walk with you. No weapon rise can win. Love dwell within. Me look upon the world today. So much lost along the way. Me chant fi heal the pain. Love fall like rain. The people cry, but Jah still near. Me wipe away the tear. Hope still blooming at the night. Guided by Jah light. With Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. banyan tree. Jah whisper comfort me. Me meditate, me overstand. Jah hold me on. The world spin fast, me spirit slow. Jah make me grow. Me see the sunrise touch the sea. The truth set me free. Me chant for mercy, chant for peace, till hatred cease. Love conquer all divide. Jah dwell inside. Eternal flame, I call your name. No life remain the same. Jah mercy wide and clear, forever near. Jah love eternal flame, forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep me moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. So when my final day come, me rest in Jah kingdom. Love eternal still burn bright, guided by Jah light. Bum 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 bum. Ay 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 ganja inna the jungle, yeah man. Yeah. Me hear the drum from far away. Call me soul to pray. Rhythm deep, me spirit high. Jah music never die. Me feel the bass in my chest. Jah give me rest. Every strike a truth reveal. Rasta strength unseal. Me see the youth them start fi dance in a chance of chance. Every heart they join the sound. Unity abound. Me remember the elder song say keep the fire strong. Me no bout to vanity. Only Jah me family. Music heal the broken soul. Make the people whole. Me chant for the humble and weak. Jah voice them seek. A white teeth of the drum tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. High beat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Me walk where the river flow. Hear the enchant echo, each beat a story told. Of courage bold, me close me eyes, me feel Jah grace. Love upon my face, love upon my face. The rhythm strong, the chant real. Jah power me feel, the crowd a sing the night, ignite, pure delight. Every heart align, peace divine. Drum beat, carry the flame, call Jah name. No man can steal the sound, Rasta all around. Yeah, I beat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground. Jah rhythm all around. Oh, 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 beat, pop. Bum 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 bum, bum 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 bum, it bad, put it bum 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 bum. Oh, Jah rhythm all around. When silence fall again, me feel the peace within. Heartbeat fade but still it hum. Jah love always come. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah. Bless the people, yeah man. More love, more peace in the world, man. Sound the drum, the trumpet blow. Jah train ready fi go. All aboard, me people rise. Freedom live behind the eyes. Me leave the city dust behind me. Seek the peace, me find the world full of lies and lies. But Zion truth never die. Me chant, me song, me hold me ground. Jah melody profound. Each step me take is sacred call. No man can me soul stall. Me see the children wave them on. Bless the future of this land. Me hear the elder voice so wise. Tell me Rasta never compromise. Jah give the path fi trod. Me move with faith in God. The journey long but pure. Love are the only cure. Zion chain rolling through. Jah call me. Me coming to one heart, one faith, one sound. Freedom circle all around. Zion train rolling high. No tear left fi cry. Every soul fi ride. Jah guide the tide. Me say the mountain greet the sky. Eagles spread them fly. Me feel the spirit in the breeze. Truth set me mind at ease. The system try to break me chain, but Jah wash the pain. Me lift the torch and share the flame. In Jah holy name, me trod with love, me trod with peace, till hatred cease. Every man and woman sing, Jah kingdom we bring. No stop this train, me say. Zion roll night and day. All who seek the light, come trod in Jah side. Zion train rolling through. Jah call me, me coming to one heart, one faith, one sound. Freedom circle all around. Zion train rolling high. No tear left fi cry. Every soul fi right. Jah guide the tide. When me reach the holy shore, me heart need cry no more. Zion train never done. Ride into Jah sun.
Aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Look above the sky so clear. Deliverance drawing near. Cloud of mercy, light of grace. Sky reveal Jah shining face. Every star a guiding flame. Every dawn exalt his name. No more sorrow, no more chain. Sky of freedom shall remain. Prophet point to heaven high. See deliverance in the sky. sunset, gold and red, sky of hope still overhead. At the midnight, calm and deep, sky of Zion never sleep. Generations one by one, sky deliver till it's done. Eternal vision, bold and clear, sky of freedom always near. Shine, shine, sky so high, lift the spirit to the sky. Rise, rise, strong and true, sky of Zion guide me to. Sky of deliverance, pure and bright, shining mercy, holy light. Never fading, never fall, sky of freedom, bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and free, sky of Zion cover me.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae. Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae. Deep the ocean, wide and blue. Carry love from me to you. Wave of mercy, tide of peace. Ocean brings us sweet release. Every drop of bond so strong. Ocean sing a righteous song. Far horizons near and wide. Ocean hold us side by side. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the ocean's mighty roar. Not of war, not of strife. Ocean give the breath of life. Babylon ship may try to sail. Ocean truth will still prevail. Every tide and every wave. Ocean bless the ones just saved. Children play upon the sand. Ocean hold them in a hand. Ella bow and say a prayer. Ocean whisper love is near. Storm may come, wind may blow. Ocean guide the ones who know. Flow eternal, deep and wide. Ocean keep your truth inside. From the sunrise to the night, ocean shine with holy light. Carry voices, carry song. Ocean move the world along. Every current strong and pure. Ocean unity secure. Every heart it pull together. Ocean bond will last forever. Seashell echo, dolphins sing. Ocean glory crown the king. Waves them clap against the shore. Ocean chant forevermore. From creation till the end. Ocean stand as righteous friend. Eternal tide, forever free. Ocean of true unity. Flow, flow, mighty sea. Bind the people. Unity. Rise, rise, tide so strong. Ocean sing, Jah holy song. Ocean of unity deep and true. Carry the people, me and you. Never ending, wide and free. Ocean bless humanity. Forever flowing, pure delight. Ocean shine with holy light. aye. Ganja is Marcus medicine, your mom. Down in the valley, low and green, hope arise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every seed I promise grow. Valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and river song. Valley keep them moving strong. Travel a weary, take a rest. Valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripe and flowers bloom. Valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile. Valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long. Valley sing the hopeful song. Babylon crumble on the hill. Valley stand by Jah will. Righteous gather chant aloud. Valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above. Valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near. Valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, Valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor. Valley open every door. Birds of Zion build a nest. Valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight. Valley glow with holy light. Morning sun up on the plain. Valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky. Valley chant will never die. Generation pass along. Valley keep the faith so strong. Everlasting deep and wide. Valley hold Jah love inside. Grow seed of peace. Valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true. Valley sing Jah song for you. Valley of hope so pure, so wide. Lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone. Valley sing creation song. Forever living bold and free. Valley all eternity.
Zion break.
is eternal, never end. Zion song, me friend. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion song all around. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion song carry you. Zion song, loud and free, echo through eternity. Every note a holy flame. Zion song, call your name. It chant the mountain, chant the sea. Zion song destiny, forever holy, never gone. Zion song shining strong. It bless the people, bless the land. Zion song by Jah hand, forever ringing, wide and long. Zion song, Jah song. Me hear it blazing morning light. Zion song, Jah might. It lift the spirit, lift the soul. Zion song make we whole. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion song carry you. It guide the children, guide the way. Zion song every day. It ring eternal, never fade. Zion song Jah made. No Babylon can mute the sound. reggae with ganja, yeah, man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace, planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green, sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life, stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and jaja hand. Me burn a spliff to clear me sight, me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me, through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground, roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above, feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew, learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean, Jah keep your heart evergreen. Meditation time, pon the stone me sit, inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren show. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youths to plant and grow, not just herb, but heart, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun, we chant till the Babylon know. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Nanya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun, we chant till the Babylon done.
Just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. Ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration. Me nah follow fashion, me follow the path. Built from roots and blessed from the start. Me sip ital tea, burn bush with pride. In a harmony, me and the most high ride. Them try to trap we in a system maze, but we navigate with the ganja blaze. Sound system bumping, heart feels strong. One rhythm, one heart, one righteous song. The world move fast, but we move wise. Gaze in the stars, see Jah in the skies. The skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Them a run for riches, me run for peace. Me find the strength where the rivers release. Me nah carry hate, me carry love. Guided by ancestors from above. Fire burn corruption, fire light me way. Each puff of herb, me troubles fade away. Me teach the youth, feel live and learn. To hold the fire till Babylon burn. So if you lost, come follow this flame. Me nah play fame, me play Jah name. Zion echo, sound system high. We chant redemption till we reach the sky. So light it up and feel the breeze. Rasta life bring inner peace.
Na 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 na. Ganja and Zion, your man. Nah, hear the drum beat in the night. Ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remain. Whisper from the earth below, stories of the roots we know. Guiding and from long before, flame still burning evermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone, eternal sign. Blood and sweat, yet spirit strong. Flame a guide the whole along. No oppression, hold it down. Flame of truth, a shining crown. Generation, pass it on. Flame of ancestors never gone. The storm I try to rise, flames still dancing in the eyes. Babylon has spread them lies. Flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside. Flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil. Flame reward the righteous toil. War may rage and nations fall. Still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call, flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat. Flame of past and future me. Torch of love, eternal guide. Flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness try to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing, bold and pure. Flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire. Lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine, bright and strong. Flame of ancestors carry on. Flame of the ancestors burning high. Light the people, never die. Forever glowing, bold and free. Flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire.
Gates of Zion, love increase. Gates of Zion open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fears, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. It shine with light, it glow with flame. Every gate called Jah true name. It lead to garden, lead to rest. Zion welcome all the blessed. No rich, no poor, no high, no low. All together gates will show. Every heart a holy key. Gates of Zion set you free. It open night, it open day. Gates of Jah no closer way. It lead the soul to holy ground, where eternal love is found. It break the chain, it lose the tie. Gates of Zion never lie. Every step up on the floor, open wide forevermore. Me see it shining in me dream. Golden light like holy stream. It call me name, it draw me near. Gates of Zion free from fear. It bless the elder, bless the child. Every soul by gates beguiled. Come one, come all, no man denied. Zion gates forever wide. When the trumpet sound again, gates of Zion stand remain. It welcome faithful, welcome true. Open arms, feet I and you. From dawn of time till time is gone. Gates of Jah forever strong. Love eternal, truth inside. Gates of Zion open wide. Step in, step through. Gates of Zion call for you. No wall, no bar can hold the way. Zion gates forever stay. Gates of Zion open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fears, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. From earth below to heaven shore. Gates of Zion open more. Crown of Zion shining gold. Story of the truth big told. It bless the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, here to stay. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown, carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. It rests upon the RASTA head. Zion crown, just spread. Forever shining, never fall. Zion crown, for all. It guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown. crown, make we whole. Shine eternal, never fade. Zion crown, Jah make no Babylon can hide the glow. Zion crown, always show, forever blazing pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song, it crown the people, crown the day. Zion crown, Jah way, when the trumpet sound again. Zion crown, still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown, show Jah way, eternal shining, strong and tall. Zion crown, bless all. Shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you. No chain, no curse can pull it down. Jah people, wear the crown. Zion crown, bright and tall, blessings given to one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name from age to age, from dusk.
Zion reggae, yeah man.
Upon the head of righteous man, crown of Zion shining stand. Not of silver, not of gold, but of love and truth untold. It bless the humble, bless the meek. Crown of Zion, all man seek. Every jewel a holy sign. Crown of Jah forever shine. Crown of Zion, pure and true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. It glows so bright in morning sun, it shine until the work is done. It mark the faithful, mark the kind, crown of Jah upon the mind. No Babylon can steal away, crown of Zion here to stay. It rise above the earthly throne, crown of Jah forever own. It guard the heart, it guard the soul, crown of Zion make man whole. It lift the weak, it raise the low, crown of Zion always show. It sing a song, it tell a tale of righteous win and wicked fail. Upon the brow of holy child, crown of Jah forever style. Me dream at night of shining light, crown of Zion burning bright. It says stay strong, don't go astray, hold the faith both night and day. It bless the elder, bless the youth, crown of Jah reveal the truth. Forever bright, forever new, crown of Zion shine on you. When the final call is made, crown of Zion never fade. It rests upon the chosen head, living soul and spirit fed. From first to last, from birth to end, crown of Zion always friend. Eternal jewel, eternal flame, crown of Jah forever same. Shine bright, shine tall, crown of Zion bless us all. No man, no king can wear the same, only Jah uphold the name. Crown of Zion pure and true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteousness. righteous truth from dawn of time to endless day. Crown of Zion, light the way. Rasta Zion road is spliff ya man. Burning bright from deep within, fire of Zion cleanse from sin. No coal, no match, no earthly flame. This is Jah eternal name. It light the heart, it guide the soul. Fire make the broken whole. No wicked plan can hide away. Fire of Jah reveal the way. Fire of Zion blazing strong, burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high, fire of Jah will never die. Straight, it glow in temple, glow in land, light of Jah in every hand. It cleanse the city, cleanse the field, burn away what Babylon yield. Only truth remain to shine. Fire of Jah is so divine. It warm the children in the cold. It blaze the story prophets told. It dance upon the holy ground. Fire of Zion always found. It rise at night, it rise at day. Fire guide along the way. No storm, no dark can snuff it out. Fire of Jah remove all doubt. Me see it when me pray alone. Fire carve the heart of stone. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Hold the flame of Jah so bright. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Fire always burn for truth. Every spark a holy sign. Fire of Zion ever shine. When the final day arrive, fire of Jah keep love alive. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Fire free the soul of all. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Fire of Zion ever born. Eternal blaze, eternal light. never gone. Zion way shining strong. It bless the children, bless the man. Zion way Jah plan. Forever glowing, wide and free. Zion way destiny. Me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion way never done. It lead the nation, lead the youth. Zion way Jah truth. Forever holy, strong and bright. Zion way Jah light. It hold the spirit, hold the soul. Zion way make we whole. It shine eternal, never fade. Zion way Jah made. No Babylon can hide the sign. Zion way divine. Forever blazing, pure and long. Zion way Jah song. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion way Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion way still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion way bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion way show Jah way. Eternal walking, firm and strong. Zion way Jah song. Walk high, walk free. Zion way for you and me. No chain, no wall can block the road. Zion way heavy load. Zion way clear and long.